I have 3 suitcases. I'm going to start from the largest to the smallest and just work my way down. Child, this already feel like a lot of stuff. Oh, goodness. I just don't be remembering some stuff now. Like, is that because I'm getting older or is that like the food we're eating? That's a whole nother story. Anyway. Nobody just said like me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are packing for Mexico City for 6 weeks during rainy season. So let's just dive into it. I have 3 suitcases. I'm going to start from the largest to the smallest and just work my way down. I already have some items that I think I'm going to like take, but I haven't made a final decision on them. So let's get started. So I like to categorize my things. So I have different packing cubes for different things. Let's just open them up. So in my first packing cube, I have my sets and I have my blazer and I also have some shorts. I don't know if I want to take the shorts yet, but let's just take it out and sort through it later. In my second packing cube, I have all of my workout equipment. So like grip socks, you know, my workout sets, t-shirts, sports bra, that sort of thing. In this packing cube, I have all of my skirts, my dresses, like just in case we go out to eat or something, or I feel like wearing a skirt versus pants. It is going to be rainy, but it's also hot too. So it's like some days might be a little bit warmer. Some days might be a little bit cooler. I saw at night that it does tend to be a little more chilly. And I was there, I think last year around June, and it was low-key giving fall. So I just kind of got a little bit of everything. These little random foot things I got from Japan. I think it's supposed to like take the toxins or impurities or something out. Then I have my socks. Like, do I really need this many socks? I'm gonna have to reconsider this. And then my toiletry case. I have like all of my essentials like perfume. I have some makeup in here. I have my face wash, like little miscellaneous things like floss, Q-tips, setting spray, that sort of thing, body oils. So that's all in here. Child, this already feel like a lot of stuff. Oh, goodness. I guess it's good that I'm doing this because now I can see, like, do I really need all of this stuff? Yes or no? In this case, I have all of my long sleeve shirts. And then in this one, I have my short sleeve shirts. Because you just never know. A girl has to have options. And then these are all of my jeans. And then I just have a hoodie on top. And then like a one-piece set. I have an umbrella because it's going to be raining. A little bag for when I go to the gym. It's just a little tote from Barry's. Nothing crazy. It's flat, so easy to pack. I am taking these boots with me because, again, it's going to be raining and you just never know. So I have those. And then I have a pair of comfy sneakers. And that's everything for this suitcase. Okay, let's dive into suitcase number 2. I low-key don't even remember what's in here. It's not funny. Okay. So on top, I just have my slippers. Then I'm bringing some knee-high boots with a little black heel. You know, something that's like comfortable still. Something that I can walk around in and not feel like, ooh, my feet hurt. Then I have another umbrella because I just know with my family, one of them ain't gonna have an umbrella. Either my mom or my brother, somebody ain't gonna have an umbrella. So I got an extra umbrella, a belt. Then I just have a puffer jacket that's really lightweight, water resistant. Another water resistant jacket from Zara. Oh, they're both from Zara. These are like all of my pajamas and my scarves, my bonnet, that sort of thing. In here, I have all of my hair things. So shampoo, conditioner, edge control, leave-in. I'm wearing my hair straight, so I don't really need too many products. So that's all in here. Dry shampoo, that sort of thing. Doggy wipes, because I am taking my dog. And then we have all of her like little essentials, like her doggy bags, her clothes, some random essentials like chill stuff. And then like I have this microfiber towel that I like to use on my hair, so that's in here as well. Then on the other side I have my dog's bed. It's like her little mini bag. She has a bigger one, but I'm just taking this one because it fits in my suitcase. So her mini bed. Then I have, oh, y'all don't need to see this stuff. This is like my undergarments, things like that. Liquid IV for a little hydration, because you just never know. This has all of my stuff for the shower. So like my shower gels, my soap, my deodorant. I also have my toothpaste in here, some body spray, my shower cap, shower gloves, you know, that sort of thing. I have like all of my supplements, my vitamins, my mouth tape, allergy medicine, that sort of thing. Then in here, I have miscellaneous stuff like hair clips, sanitary napkins, my lint roller. I have more of my dressier tops. I have this for my mom. It's just her hair color. I'm probably gonna have to recolor her hair because she don't get it done by anybody else when she leaves. Then I have some shampoo for my dog. Keep her fresh and clean. And then also some more of her essentials. So I have her raincoat, some collapsible bowls, her toothbrush, her toothpaste, and then her brush, and then the little trimmers for her nails. And that's it in this suitcase. Thank the Lord. All right, y'all, final suitcase. So in this suitcase, I have all of my tech equipment. I am going for a work trip, so I pretty much need all my tech gear. So I have hard drives in here, mounts for like the mirror, that sort of thing, a speaker, because you just never know. Might want some tunes. I shoved a pair of loafers in here because, and these are like my patent leather loafers. I'm just trying to bring stuff that I know is also functional with rain. So I have those as an option. Then I have 2 tripods because I might need 2. Just never know. They're travel tripods. I'll try to link the one that I got from Amazon in the description. And then I have my Bag Smart case with like all of my other things that I might need, like my Osmo Pocket attachments, extra lights, like just little miscellaneous stuff that I might need for content. I am bringing like a little mini pair of heels because I just feel like, you know, you just never know. Like, I might want to wear a little baby heel one day, but I also don't know like if it's gonna be raining crazy. But I feel like during the day I might be able to get away with it, or like if I go out to eat or something, I just want to throw on like a little baby heel. I can't believe I be wearing kitten heels. That's crazy. Yo, 20-year-old me would be like, what? Kitten heels. Then I have my gym sneakers. All my purses are in here, so I'm just going to take this clutch. Then I have a brown one too, just in case like I, you know, need a different color. Then I have a crossover body bag. And that's the 3 bags that I'm going to take. And I'll probably just take my regular purse, but I'll put that in my little bag that I'm going to put underneath my seat. Then I have these things that I got when I was in Japan as well. And it's supposed to help for like your calf muscles and like around this area. What part is that? You know, like I can't think of the thing, but you know, your ankle where the little back part is. I don't know why I can't talk. I just don't be remembering some stuff now. Like, is that because I'm getting older, or is that like the food we're eating? That's a whole nother story. Anyway, Then I have this water resistant bag that I am going to put all of my tech equipment in when I am traveling, and the charger for my toothbrush. And then I'm also bringing my light because I might need it. I think that's it for this suitcase. I still have some, like, little stuff that I have to put in and pack, like my toothbrush, and then I think there may be like another one or two like toiletry items that I'm missing. And then in the front I have, because I am traveling with my dog, in the front I did put like all of her paperwork, like her certificate to travel, proof to show that she's vaccinated. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think that about sums up everything. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. See y'all in Mexico.